where you can't see, but you're never alone. Meet Leo, a courageous Chow Chow with a heart as big as his fluffy coat. A flash flood had struck unexpectedly, endangering everyone inside. Leo knew he had to act. Swimming through raging waters, driven by determination, Leo pushes himself forward at every second counts. His urgent cries were the wake-up call they needed. The family springs into action, grabbing essentials and moving swiftly to safety. Thanks to Leo's bravery, they escaped in time. A moment of relief, gratitude, and recognition for an extraordinary hero.